In 2006, the BBC brought you Planet Earth. In 2009, the BBC gave you Life. Two landmark television events that took wildlife documentaries to extraordinary new heights. You're about to see a preview of the BBC's crowning achievement.
Where my bitches at?
It's BBC's The Greatest Planet on Earth.
Oh, I hate the rain.
It's murder on my hair.
That's why I keep mine short.
Unlike Linda.
Hey, Linda! Good thing you sold all your mirrors! Oh.
Hey, everybody, I got my GED!
Oh, yeah!
I did it!
You said I couldn't, and I did!
I knew you could do it, Jeff. You smart.
How about Milo 5?
Yeah. You're my boy.
Jeff, you look handsome.
Where's my girls at?
Educated penguin in the house!
Jeff. The hills are alive
with the sound of music.
Actually, Tony, it's like, kind of. Let's try.
You boys get out of here. You never buy anything after your high school.
Come on, Rajiv. Just want some cupcakes and an aquafina.
Rajiv, where else are we supposed to buy our snacks?
We're closed.
Whoa, Rajiv, calm down.
Rajiv, be cool.
We just closed. I'm going back to the stockroom to get my bat.
A bat, Rajiv?
Calm down. Hey, can I get a pack of smokes?
Oh, sorry, Mr. Johnson. I'm closed for the moment.
What the fuck?
Sometimes we'll focus on a continent or a theme, but mostly it's just a transition to more funny pieces.
Nice toupee, dick! I'm afraid of heights.
This fall on the CW, join Eric, CJ, Haley, Lil D, Madison, Carlos, and Becky at Newport High. Class is in session.
Greatest Planet on Earth from BBC Worldwide Productions.
Hey everybody, I'm here! I was late, there was traffic. I'm here! Sorry, Pete. I'm here!